Hi everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
Today,
So, what are we talking about, Keshav?
so today also I have a doubt, sir,
Hmm.
because this podcast session I'm using it for
Clarifying
all my doubts, sir.
Sure. Though
Uh,
some of them not related to economy, but anyway,
Yes.
we'll get through them.
Yes. So today my doubt is why India is not showing any interest on sports, sir, other than cricket. The
Mhm.
FIFA is the biggest business in terms of sports,
Mhm.
but we have the second most goal scorer in our country, India, Sunil Chhetri.
Hmm.
But he is not a well-known person.
Hmm.
He is not celebrated as much as cricketers got celebrated.
Hmm.
Why it is happening, sir? Even parents or even kids at some point of time they are not interested in playing sports, sir, because Indians mindset playing sports is a waste of time.
Hmm.
It doesn't give you anything. Education is much more important than sports. I'm also agreeing to that, sir, but sports is also something we can participate.
Hmm.
Something why Indians are not that much not into sports.
Well, let me tell you something which is going to shatter you a little bit.
Okay, sir.
All what is seeing the money in footballs
Hmm.
only came after 1980s.
Okay.
So if you go back before 1980s,
Hmm.
there's very little money in football. Yes, it was played.
Mhm.
There was World Cups.
Hmm.
Those players were very poor, like what you see. Like what you read stories of Indian national medal winner has no money, is sitting and selling tea with her mother in a tea
Yeah,
stall.
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
Then you find out is selling his gold medal, Olympic medal,
Hmm.
to pay for his father's surgery.
Yeah,
You
sir.
hear these
Yeah,
really
sir, yeah.
sad stories.
Yeah, sir.
That's how sports has always been.
Hmm.
The commercialization of sports happened post World War II.
Okay.
After World War II, when the economic boom happened,
Hmm.
when the baby boomers happened in the US,
Hmm.
people needed entertainment.
Hmm.
Right? You had sports as
Hmm.
only entertainment. Movies hadn't really taken off as yet.
Hmm.
Movies were still in its infancy.
Yeah.
Going to a theater and watching a movie, taking a movie, it took a long time. Had to shoot in film, develop the film, edit, and put. Sports was happening on a regular basis.
Hmm.
Every weekend you had one sports event, right?
Yeah.
So this was happening right after World War II.
Hmm.
Economy started expanding in Europe and US.
Hmm.
After the war, post-war economy boom was happening.
Hmm.
Right? People were only having one entertainment, right?
Hmm.
Just sports.
Hmm.
You're marketing cigarettes, you're marketing whatever you're trying to
Hmm.
sell. Somehow people need to know about your product.
Mm-hmm.
That's when sponsorships came.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Sports did not make money.
Mm-hmm. Why sports they are?
Businesses brought money to sports.
Okay.
Why they brought it? To market their
Their products?
product. Why they are marketing? So people get to know about their products.
Understood. sir.
Understood.
Oh.
Now you take cricket in India.
Hmm.
When was the first World Cup you won? 1980?
1983.
Correct.
Hmm.
That team was there, right?
Hmm.
How much money do you think each of those players made? Who are millionaires and crorepati's in that team?
No one, sir. At the time, no one, sir.
At the time, no one.
Hmm.
Now also you look back. Except for now, they made money post,
Yeah, sir.
right? Like
Post.
Sunil Gavaskar post.
Yeah, sir.
By doing advertisement.
Hmm.
Kapil Dev post.
Yeah, sir.
You take the rest of the team. Who's crorepati?
Correct, sir. No.
So that commercialization of sports in India
Hmm.
also only started at that time.
Mm-hmm.
Because of TV coming, people seeing live telecast of the match,
Hmm.
you're seeing. So to create brand visibility, people start tying up with these guys. So money started entering sports.
Okay.
So sports has become more of a theater now.
Mm-hmm.
It's no more about the sports anymore. It is about who can make the most noise on the screen.
Yeah, sir.
So sports persons who bring a lot of controversy to them,
Hmm.
who have this kind of weird personality,
Hmm.
who news media always talks about, people are talking about, those are the ones who leverage the most money. People who are quietly sitting and doing work in the background, like a Rahul Dravid.
Mm-hmm.
Now only he's doing some BP ads he's doing and making some money, and he was doing Gillette shaving,
Yeah, sir.
like
But-
VVS Lakshman,
Mm-hmm.
Robin Singh. They're all quiet workers.
Hmm.
They did not make. People who went flash in the pan
Make more money.
make more money. That is very apparent. And now with this T20,
Hmm.
it's becoming more apparent. Now the flip of it, there is slowly money trickling into different sports in India.
Hmm.
Because like how the Saudis want to create another FIFA there,
Hmm.
so tourists will come here. In India also, the big companies are spending money. Why is Ambani spending so much money on football? Because of, you think, charity?
No, sir.
Why do you think?
To promote his product or something
Correct.
like that.
It'll be a Reliance Cup. It's like FIFA.
Hmm.
It will be Reliance.
So that is the reason why Tata is also promoting IPL. Tata IPL.
For
Oh.
brand.
Okay.
So it is money from the corporates which are driving this. So you have to ask, why aren't corporates putting money behind the sports? Finally, it boils down to the public. Because you guys are not consuming that sport. You guys like watching cricket. You guys like watching Dhoni. Why don't you sit and watch Kabaddi like that? You don't even know the winning captain of Indian Kabaddi team.
Yes, we don't. I don't know.
You
any,
don't know.
any
That's
single member of Kabaddi.
yeah, there is a small segment. They tried doing this with Kabaddi.
Yes,
They had tried having internal leagues,
sir. Because
different cities playing other cities.
it has less watchers, sir. But cricket has the most fans. It's a celebrated sport. That's
Why?
they
That's
made
the
it like
question.
that, sir.
No. There is something within the Indian psyche
Okay.
that has latched on to cricket. Could have been any sport. It's just cricket's luck.
The
Hockey.
the same thing is our national game is hockey, but that didn't got celebrated as much as cricket, sir.
No. And this is the main reason Indian parents don't want children to take up sports other than cricket. Because cricket has money. You can, even if you play one season of IPL and you do something, you manage to gain a winning team, you can make a few crores and get out.
Yeah, sir.
And then invest that and sit. Hopefully one BB will marry you. Okay? She'll do aarti for you every day, feed you samosas, and then you'll get some commentary job. Or worst comes to worst, coaching.
Yeah, sir.
You open your Keshav Academy and
coaching center.
you'll open a coaching center and you'll take some money and put into real estate, put into stock market, do a few movies. Like Srishant tried becoming an actor.
Yeah, sir.
You will also flip your head around. Try that for a little while. Doesn't work out, no problem. That's the attitude parents have. Chess has a little more money now.
Yeah, sir.
So you see kids taking up chess. But all other sports like volleyball.
So, but the man, I didn't want to promote anyone in person, but the real hard thing is that the man, I told you, sir, Sunil Chhetri, he's the second most goal scorer behind Ronaldo, sir, in our country. He's doing that for most of the years, sir, but he's not getting that attention or something that people are not driving into the sports because of him.
Indian public is not consuming it.
Why?
That's you can only answer.
Correct, sir. Understood, sir.
Of course, people will like to blame media house and they would like to blame businesses saying, they're not selling it. No. Business will sponsor anything.
But people have to accept.
If you're willing to watch it, they'll sponsor it. If you like to sit in Indian public like watching paint dry on a wall, they'll put all logos over there so you can sit and watch paint drying. It is a wrong interpretation of the public, you guys, thinking that businesses should put money, then it will become popular. Never. That's why football is still, Ambani is putting so much money in it. It still hasn't taken off, no?
It's because the public.
India's richest man is pouring money into football. Where is it taking off?
Because people are not interested.
People don't even know Chennai football team captain.
Yes, sir.
You go ask in our office. Chennai football team captain. Or go ask them who owns Chennai football team. They'll be like, Chennai football team. See, lover boys, they're like, sir, football team nahi yaar. So that's where we are.
So even all this talking, I don't even know the captain of Chennai FC.
Then you're talking about Chun Chetri.
Yeah, sir, because I
you read it somewhere.
Yeah, sir. Most of the time.
That's all. I don't even fact check it. Because you read it somewhere, you just assume it to be true.
Sir, I searched in internet some of the points, sir. It is true, sir. It is
People
true.
will comment below, don't worry.
Yeah, sir. We will know.
Because football fans, they're fanatical fans, not like you.
Yeah, sir. True.
Asal fans.
Okay.
Who I'm sure will take you apart down in the comments.
Okay.
Anyway, I hope I answered Keshav's doubt and your doubt why sports is the way it is in India. Not only in India, around the globe. That's why Olympics is dying. Because people are not interested in watching Olympics anymore.
This is a new thing, sir. I think the Olympic is the most celebrated game because it is happening.
You're talking about history, man. Looking back, now you look.
Oh.
No, no country wants it. I think now the latest is Saudi Arabia is willing to do it or something. Okay. Which is very funny. Anyway, thanks for watching the podcast today. I hope you found it informative and interesting. These kind of conversations me and Keshav have. If you have anything specific you'd like me and Keshav to talk about, please do DM me on Instagram and LinkedIn and on Twitter. Keshav is also available on Instagram. You can DM him too.
Yes,
anything else, Keshav?
And I want to say some things like if Sir posts some things in LinkedIn, like financial things. If you like it, don't just like repost. Make others to know about that. Okay. Thank you.
Keshav is a hard worker. Thanks. Bye.